Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner, and if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we had a wild day in Tesla today. I'm going to get right at this because we got a lot to cover here. Fair opening price for Thursday, the 26th, is going to be 453.40. We did not hit Grandpa's fair opening price today, however, of 428.59. I'll explain a little bit of that. Why? Well, because we gapped up big time. And when Grandpa's um, off by 10, 15 bucks usually. I might be right 8 or 9 times out of 10, but when I'm wrong, but I do think we have a strong chance of gapping down at some time tomorrow and at least snagging close to that 453.40. And I'll get into that a little bit more later here. Okay, so we had a high to low today of $27.64. That's why I love Tesla stock. You got movement. When you got movement, you can make money. Make a money in spite of our government. High today of 462.78, a low of 435.14, and we closed at a respectable 462.28. Currently, after hours, we were right around 465.22 approximately. And let's see, indexes were way up today. Everybody was happy today, I can tell you that. Tesla outperformed massively. Divergence, again, second day in a row here. Volume fell again on higher prices. 59 million shares were bought and sold. It was only a part day, but even if it would have been a full day, it would have been low volume for us. Again, so 11 million less shares than yesterday, which was 70 million. And that's what I think if we would have had a full day, we'd have probably ended up at, is about 70 million. So volumes dropped off from 132 million down to 70 million. And the result is this low volume, we're going up. The dominant trend is up. These are daily candles. Each candle is 1 day. And we have an absolute buy signal in the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly chart. And that means the dominant trend is up. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart here, and we're going to talk about pivot points. Pivot points, hugely important. Okay, here's your 453.40 fair opening price for Thursday morning. Thursday sometime here, and I think we might just gap down there $8-9, whatever it is, and snag that. That might be a great place to buy some Tesla shares and take the run up to like 507, 509. Upside resistance, we have resistance up above at 471.65, 481, 488.54, which is our previous high pivot point. We are now looking for a new high pivot point. We're looking for a new high pivot point. And as far as pivot points, 410.23, I believe, is our new bottom pivot point. Previous one was 402.70, and now I believe the new bottom pivot point is 410.23, and I believe that we are now currently looking for a new top pivot point. And like I say, 488.54 used to be our top pivot point, and I believe we're going to blow right through it. 499.30 above that, just below 500. I think we'll hit a little bit of resistance. Really above 488.54, there is no resistance. but we just got numbers that may slow you up, like 500, 514 area, 577, 700, 1,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. The sky's the limit when you're dealing with Tesla. Downside support, we have support at 453.40, which is your fair opening price for Thursday, and that's going to be support. If we can even get down there, we'll be lucky so you can snag some inexpensive Tesla shares. Oh, by the way, all Tesla shares are inexpensive. It doesn't matter if you pay $700, $500, $400, $300, $200. It don't matter what you pay for your Tesla shares, because they're going to the moon. That's just the way it is. And the moon's at 10,000. Mars is 100,000. Okay, Grandpa's crazy. Who cares? Don't blame Grandpa. Don't blame Grandpa if you sell your Tesla shares for 50,000 each, and a year later they're 100,000. Don't blame Grandpa. It's like Grandpa always says, Elon and the WICK, being in charge of the government efficiency is big league for you. Who can take your money with a twinkle in their eye and take it all away and give it to some other guy. The government can. Who can take the sunrise? The government, because they mix it up with lies and make it all taste good. Yeah, the government. Everything I made. Who can change the government? Tesla, Elon, and Trump. Making America great again for all. Merry Christmas. Think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. We just got back from our Christmas program. It was absolutely super duper. All the grandkids sang, everybody sang, Grandma sang, and Grandpa took the film, the pictures. Okay, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and hit the like button once in a while. And remember, Elon and Trump can. That's who can. And Tesla can. Get a Tesla share and give it to somebody. It's life-changing for anyone. See you Thursday.